Nagbabalik po ang Rotary in Action and moving on to our PCRG Corner kung saan ating kikilalanin ang ating mga panauhing kasapi ng Philippine College of Rotary Governors. At para sa gabing ito ay makakasama natin ang aking kasamaan sa PCRG Board at siya rin ang chairman ng nalalapit na Philippine Rotary Concerns Forum. Let us all welcome to the show, Past District Governor Sid Garcia of Rotary Club of Makati, District 3830. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Sid.
Magandang gabi sa iyo, PDG June. At lahat ng mga taga-subaybay ng programang Rotary in Action.
Okay, diretsuhan na to. Gov, Sid.
Yes.
Ano ba itong Philippine Rotary Concerns Forum at saan ba to?
Ang Philippine Rotary Concerns Forum ay hino-organize ng Philippine College of Rotary Governors.
Ito yung ating organisasyon.
Taon-taon. Ito ay kabilang ng mga dating governor, yung governor ngayon at saka mga governor sa hinaharap. Doon pinag-uusapan lahat ng mga bagay tungkol sa Rotary.
Sino-sino naman ang pwede mag-register sa Philippine Rotary Concerns Forum?
Well, gaya ng sinabi ko, Gov, unang-una, lahat ng mga dating governor sa buong Pilipinas at yung 10 governor natin ngayon at yung magiging governor sa darating na taon at sa taon na to, ay binubuksan natin to sa mga district officers, past president at sa mga presidente para naman malaman nila ano ang mga pagbabago o nangyayari sa Rotary World.
So, hindi siya exclusive sa mga governors lamang, kundi open na siya sa ating mga district officers, past presidents.
Right.
Okay, what is our theme for this year and bakit naman ito napili natin, Gov Sid?
Mabuti na tanong mo yan. Alam mo, ang Rotary ay talagang gusto natin talagang maging effective sa ating mga komunidad at makatulong sa mga mahihirap. Kaya, ang ginagawa natin ngayon, gusto natin palawakin ang ating serbisyo. Kaya ang ating tema ay Only Serve, Increasing Rotary's Capacity to Serve.
So parang only rice. Walang limit ang service ng
parang
Rotary.
Parang mobile phone mo.
Only. Ayan.
Only.
Kaya pala familiar yung only. Dahil ito yung description natin sa service ng Rotary.
Totoo.
Nabanggit mo yung paglilingkod ng Rotary. Ano ba mga areas of focus natin ngayon na GovSeed? At saka ano ba itong mga areas of focus na ipepresent natin sa ating Rotary Concerns Forum?
Alam mo, ang Rotary ngayon ay ini-encourage lahat ng mga Rotary clubs at Rotarians. Ilaan na lang ang ating talento at kakayahan at salapi sa 6 na concerns na to. At ito ay unang-una, peace and conflict resolution. Pangalawa, water and sanitation. Pangatlo, maternal and child health. Pang-4, basic education and literacy. Pang-5, economic and community development. At pang-6, disease prevention and treatment.
Okay, nabanggit mo yung areas of focus. Sino-sino ba ang ating mga magiging speakers dito sa Rotary Concerns Forum?
Okay, sa taon na to, ilalaan natin ang ating focus sa 3 areas of focus sa forum na to. Kaya ang number 1 areas of concern, community and economic development. Kaya inaanyayahan natin dyan si Senator Bam Aquino, siya yung ating magiging keynote speaker, parang ipaliwanag yan. Alam mo naman, siya, ay iniingkayo niya yung entrepreneurship. And then, inimbitahin natin yung Deputy Director General ng TESDA, si Ted Pascua, para sa gano'n ipaliwanag ang ginagawa ng TESDA para magkaroon ng maraming hanap buhay ang ating mga kababayan.
Maliban sa dalawa, meron pa ba tayong about sa disease prevention and treatment?
Yun. Sa Department of Health, pag-uusapan din natin yung Director Tayag, Eric Tayag, yung ano yung ginagawa nila para masikaso yung ating kalusugan, lalong-lalo na yung ating mga mahihirap na kababayan. At yung pangatlo nga, yung ating speaker tungkol sa yun nga, livelihood na binanggit ko. Saka itong Department of Health, meron tayong pag-uusapan, yung partnership ng Rotary on public health and literacy.
Education and literacy.
Education.
Okay, so alam mo, GovSeed,
Yes.
mukhang napakabilis yung at I'm sure you would like to invite ang mga Rotarians to join us. We will be there, both of us, members of PCRG, district officers, presidents ng tinatawag nating best class will be there also. Any invitation to our televiewers?
Gusto ko sana anyayahan lahat ng mga kasama nating governor sa buong Pilipinas. Pagkakataon to para ma-acquaint tayo sa mga ating adikain tungkol sa Rotary areas of focus and Rotary concerns. Sana dumalo kayo. At ito nga, magandang pagkakataon sa mga district officers, best president, saka lahat ng mga naging past president, malaman ano ba nangyayari, ano ba ang plano natin sa Pilipinas para lalong umunsad ang ating ginagawa dito sa ating bayan para ang Rotary ay manguna sa pagbabago.
Okay, mga kasambahay, yan po ang kabuuan ng ating PCRG Corner ngayong gabi. And for our Rotary highlights tonight, panoorin natin at ang panayam kay Rotary International President-elect K.R. Ravi Ravidran.
The special multi-district presidents-elect training seminar was held last Sunday, February 8, 2015 at the Philippine International Convention Center in Pasay City for purposes of training the presidents of the clubs in the various Rotary districts in our country. The guest of honor and speaker on that occasion is no other than the Rotary International President-elect himself for the Rotary year 2015-2016, K.R. Ravi Ravidran from Sri Lanka, along with his spouse, Vanity, a third-generation Rotarian and a member since age 21. Ravidran has served on the Rotary International Board of Directors and the Rotary Foundation Board of Trustees and as Rotary International Treasurer. He is also Sri Lanka's National Polio Plus Chair who headed the Joint Task Force of the Sri Lankan government, the UNICEF, and the Rotary International that successfully negotiated a ceasefire with northern militants during the national immunization days such that by 1994, Sri Lanka has already reported its last case of polio. Rotary International President-elect Ravi Ravidran also discussed about his chosen theme for Rotary year 2015-2016, Be a Gift to the World.
With me is President Ravi Ravindran, who is our President-elect, soon to be the President of Rotary International starting July 1, 2015 to June 30, 2016. May we know why you chose this theme and what are your expectations?
We have an obligation to do our part. And if Rotary is a gift, Rotary in this country, if it's a gift to the people of Philippines, if it works with the government, then the people prosper, Rotary prospers, the government prospers. So my appeal to you is Rotary should be a gift to the Philippines.
Yan po ang Rotary highlights.
Want to get more Rotary updates? Please visit our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/ria.untv.
Malat ka na,
Malat
Governor
na.
June, ha? Rotary in Action would also like to thank Fatrol. Ayaw mo bang tumaba? Go with the power of 500. Go with the power of Fatrol and live it. Take care of your liver with Live It. Available at all leading drugstores nationwide.
Talagang malat na. Okay. At syempre nagpapasalamat din tayo sa New Moms, maging bidang nanay sa New Moms Malunggay. At sa OsteoGuard, tulong iwas, osteoarthritis. Sa OsteoGuard, go, galaw, wow. And of course, this is past si Governor June Farcon. At syempre babatiin ko yung
Of
aking
course.
sweetheart, si Zenny. at ang mga nakikinig at mga nanonood ng mga Rotarians sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo.
Okay, aking ding binabati ang ating mga sugid na taga-subaybay, Ana Gregorio, at sa Mabini, Batangas, ang pamilya ng Husi. Evelyn Husi, Cora Manalo, galing silang pareho sa Roma at nandito at nagbabakasyon. Ang inay nila, ang inay Piming, at of course si Ruben and Veda Del Mundo. Pinabati ko rin si Bobot and Echi Bautista at ang aking grandson, my cute grandson si Santi. Pansamantalo po kami nagpapaalam tulad po ng laging sinasabi ni Kuya Daniel Razon, ang paggawa ng mabuti ay hindi kailanman magbubunga ng masama. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako pong muli si Past District Governor Jess Cifra. Join us again next week. Same time, same channel. Dito lang sa Rotary in Action because we are happy people serving people.
Rotary flag as the flag of peace and pearl. I shall serve my community, help achieve universal unity.